that you're here. Alright, we're back with another video with Bolt Super Shoe Cleaner. I'm here with Jeremy behind the camera. He's the one killing it. You can't see him, but he's right behind you. Today we're going to be cleaning a pair of low-cut boots. Okay, open toes in the front. There's some stains on these, as you can see. Right here, a little bit of marks here. Not only are they marked up, but the suede is like really dry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of cleaner inside of the bowl with some water, and we're gonna clean these up. I'm 100% sure that they're gonna look great after, but when they dry, they're gonna be a little stiff. So like we said in other videos, this brush is gonna be really soft. So when these shoes dry, you're gonna just right on there, and it's gonna wake that suede right back up. All right, cool. So I just added water into the bowl. I'm gonna add some Bolt right now. Okay. Ooh. Cool. So as you can see, I just took the little paper cap off the top. This is just to seal it and protect it from leaking when it ships to you. Okay. Snap it open. And pour yourself some cleaner. Alright, the water's going to turn a little color. You can stick your brush in there, mix it around a little bit, get it nice and frothy like a soup. Alright, so cool. Alright. I mean, you can already see the stain that's right here. So that's kind of what we're trying to get out here. You can see, can you see the stain in there, right there? So, I'm gonna go through it again. It's okay to be a little bit rougher at the spots that are messed up, because those are the ones that you're trying to fix. Go through the rest of the shoe. You can clean the fronts, you can clean the inside right there where the toes are, you know, side here. As you can see, this little strap that looks like there's some dirt on there. I like those. Got this little heavy duty brush here. And just like that. Okay, cool. So that little stain that was on that part right there is absolutely out. Now, as you guys can see, I went from using the soft hog hair brush to the harder rough brush, okay? For the stuff like that, for instance, you want to use this brush just because this is going to get deeper and it's going to be a little bit rougher. Since this material is not like, it's not like a soft fabric like these Yeezys, you can actually put this brush on here, it's okay. But as far as the Yeezys, like I said, you put this brush on there, it's too rough, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna go through these and keep cleaning them up. I'm actually gonna go through that little tough spot that had that mark on there, and I'm gonna try to brush that out with this deep brush, and it's actually cleaning it up a little bit too, which is a good thing. Okay? You can see the mark is still there, but it was a deep stain, so we're getting that out slowly. Okay? Go through and keep cleaning the rest of the shoe. Alright. And we're going over everything, guys. You can clean the whole shoe. We're going to clean the bottom wood here. Get that a little opened up, the color, you know, and even the bottoms too. Go through a little bit more with the brush. I mean, honestly, they already look better. To be honest with you guys, if you look at this, just by comparing them, I mean, you know, the shoe isn't done yet, but when I showed you guys the video in the beginning, there was a lot of marks on the side of the shoe over here. You know, everything's out, all that dirt's out. So there's a couple other So this rough brush, like I said, is going to be good for the suede. It's going to open it back up and get it. I mean, this is a little early to be doing this, but I mean, I know what I'm doing, so I can do that. But like I said, it's already coming back to life compared to this one. You see the difference? You see this in the back? Alright, so we're going to let these dry a little bit, guys. We're going to go on to the next shoe for right now. And so you guys can see a good before and after on this.